let's turn on the bike and get going. Thank you, I appreciate it. Quite a bit of different bikes and cars. Very, very cool. What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are gonna be taking the BMW S1000 over to a car bike meetup. It's gonna be a small meetup that hopefully I can make some friends at. With me having this bike for a few weeks now, I still don't really have any friends because I've been out of the game for about 4 years without having a motorcycle. So I'm hoping to take this time to be able to, you know, make some friends and find some future riding buddies. So with that being said, let us get on the road and headed over there. Alrighty, let us get going to this bike meet and car meet for that matter. There's going to be cars and bikes there, but I usually take the C06 to this car meet, but this will be the first time I take the S1000 there, and hopefully I can make some friends there. I'm not gonna lie guys, I am pretty awkward when it comes to trying to make friends. Even though I can talk a decent amount, yeah, I'm still a little awkward, so a little nervous about this, but it should be good. All right, let's turn on the bike and get going. Probably gonna need to get gas though. Always needing to get gas with this bike. It's another beautiful freaking day. I did not clean this visor. Oh my god, this visor is so full of bugs right now. I do love the fresh air that you can breathe when you're on a motorcycle. You also are a little bit more sensitive to random things like the car in front of me, you know, actually having weed. So, because I can definitely smell weed from that front car. That's one of those things, being like getting back into riding and stuff, that I wouldn't say I necessarily miss, because I don't, you know, miss the smell of weed. But it is interesting. You get all the kind of different senses and everything. Look, that sun is bright. It is very bright. Actually, it's a woman rider. Pretty cool. Oh. This part of the highway, ever since they started construction, has been just absolute nightmare. Between the road being super bumpy and the like 3 or 4 different lines that you can take in regards to like the actual lanes. I gotta get gas though real quick, just so I don't have to deal with getting gas later. Alrighty, let's fill up. I love this little leg bag. This leg bag is so nice. Oh wait, I don't have my wallet in my leg bag though. Oh, check out that muscle car over there though. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. I forgot to actually open up the gas tank. There we go. Let's see, I was a little bit past half a tank, so probably around $8 is what I'm thinking I'll have in regards to how much it'll take to fill. Yeah, $8. We can check out this muscle car on our way out. Pretty cool. Definitely liking that muscle car. It's nice. You might be going actually to the same place I'm going, depending. The car or motorcycle meetup that I'm going to. Quick check to see that my leg back is fully closed. Yep, it is closed. Entrance to the freaking ramp so difficult. I already like missed it in regards to that. I didn't realize that the ramp did that. Alright, back onto I-20. Be here. Yeah, there's everybody. How's it going? Not too bad. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I literally got it just like 2 weeks ago. Really? Yeah.
Did you put the exhaust on it? Come with it?
No, it already came with it. So I got lucky enough that it came with it. So.
Dump the money into it?
Yeah, that's what I was like. Oh, man, like when I first saw it and it had it already, it had the exhaust and the tune already on it. I was like, okay, that's a done deal.
How big of a gas tank do they have?
Well, right now it fills up with 14 bucks on it, so
bullshit more than that, because that fucking is 2 gallons. Like that's factory 2 gallons.
Yeah, so like gas is like 420 right now, so that's like
right at 3.25 roughly.
Yeah, something like that, around that amount.
I think that still fucking eats it though.
Oh, it does. I had to fill up on my way over here. So.
Because I have to fill up 2 Fort Worth and back to Fort Worth.
I filled up on my way here.
I also stay in 3rd though, so I can hold.
What are you riding?
Blue GT40
All right, nice. I'm Carlos, by the way. Jacob, nice to meet you. Mason, nice to meet you. So alrighty guys, so we have made it to this bikes and car meet, and there's quite a bit of different bikes and cars. I mean, check out this GTR in particular, this purple GTR. It's freaking super clean. I want to say I've seen this GTR before at certain other car shows and such, but still seeing it in person, especially in the daylight, with like how it's just, how the paint just shimmers, looks so good. We got other GTRs here also, and then got Camaros, Mustangs, and a whole bunch of different bikes. Tons of different bikes. Everything from Yamahas, Kawasaki's, Gixxers, CBRs. All different kinds of bikes here. Very cool seeing all these different kinds of bikes and such. Got even naked Aprilia bikes, got Triumph, Daytona. Very cool. And then you got the New Horizon BMW S1000 with the Acura exhaust. Let's see, let's check out what other kind of cars they got here. They got a little bit of everything. Old school muscle kind of cars, Ford Mustang, coupe. Really nice looking. And even a little stand that they're selling die-cast Hot Wheel cars and such. They have, at least at this particular one, they always have like they have little tents and stuff set up that you can buy little like cars and stuff like that, and they got food and everything. So it's really nicely organized, this car meet. You get all sorts of different cars. I mean, check out this Cadillac for one. Very cool looking. So yeah, no, pretty cool looking little car meetup, and I need to try to see about talking to some motorcycle people and maybe making some friends, but a little bit easier said than done. I've already talked to like a couple of people, but haven't actually like really introduced myself. So I'll have to see what happens and maybe make a few friends and kind of go from there. So in any case, I think that's going to wrap up today's video, so I'm going to try to see about making some friends. But in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. So take care, guys.